Hello and welcome to part 6 of this video tutorial series on PCase. Today we are going to look at DB structure and DB report. To access DB structure, right click, open DB structure. This will bring up the structure menu in another window. This menu allows you to view all the tables that are present, as well as allowing you to see fields, indexes and association attached to that table. This makes it quick and easy to view between information about several tables quickly and without going through the different table property menus as such. As you can see, if I wanted to see all the data available on the customer table, I can click on it. Here are all the fields with the types, label, format and other data. Here are all the indexes. This has the field connected to that index. So if I change to country post, you can see the two fields connected to that index. Here is any table that has a child field in the table you have selected. So the field sales rep and the field state come from the sales rep table and the state table. And here you can see that the customer number field is also present as a child in the bill to table, the invoice table, the order table and other. Another cool feature of DB structure is if you double click on a table, it will immediately pop to it, which makes it very useful navigation tool, as it can be hard sometimes to find the exact table you're looking to find, especially when you have many. Now that we have finished to look at DB structure, let's look at DB report. To open DB report, right click, open DB report. When you open this, you will notice first that there is the contents table, which are all workable links. So if I wanted to know more information about, let's say, the customer table, click on it. It will first show you the description, which is pulled directly from the description box of the customer table, which you would have added when creating the table or editing it. This next part gives you the fields of custom available in the customer table. So all these fields here, all their different data types, a format, label and different attributes. And all of this data is pulled directly from your ERD, which means that if you were to change, let's say, the description of customer by adding test here, for example, then click OK. So first you need to save and right click, open DB report once more, and you will notice that if I go to customer, it will have changed to test here. So this proves that all the information taken and displayed here is pulled directly from your ERD. This report is very useful as an appendix to when you're presenting the database to a customer, and you can save it in various different formats. You can, by clicking File and then Report, you can save it in HTML, which is very useful since the links at the beginning are clickable. So if you have a large database, it's going to be easier to navigate to different report sections, or you can save it as a Word document, which you can print later on. Thank you very much for watching this video on DB report and DB structure. I hope to see you soon in our next video.